How to use the Quick Link menu in Windows 11. The Quick Link menu is a pop-up menu and includes shortcuts for common management and configuration user tools for Windows. The Quick Link menu provides faster navigation to essential system functions like installed apps, power options, File Explorer, and Task Manager. In this section, we will look at how to access the Quick Link menu. You can access the Quick Link menu in two ways. In Windows 11, right-click the Start menu to display the Quick Link menu. Alternately, use the Windows and X keyboard shortcut to view the Quick Link menu. The Quick Link menu is broken up into three groups. Group 1 contains the desktop and shutdown or sign out shortcuts at the bottom of the list. Group 2 includes shortcuts from Run to the Task Manager. Group 3 includes all shortcuts from Terminal, Admin to the top of the list. Removing default shortcuts. To remove any shortcuts from the Quick Link menu, follow these steps. Use the Windows and E keyboard shortcut to open the Windows File Explorer. In the address bar, enter the URL %localappdata %Microsoft /Windows/WinX. Then click Enter to open the WinX folder. Three groups display in the folder. The folders contain the default shortcuts that display in the Quick Link menu. You can open the folders to view the default shortcuts. Caution: to remove any of the default shortcuts, do not delete any of these groups. To delete the default shortcut, open the folder to locate the shortcut. Select the shortcut. In this case, the Event Viewer shortcut is selected. An Activity Option toolbar displays. Now, select the Recycle bin to delete the shortcut. The Event Viewer shortcut no longer displays in Group 3. Once you delete any shortcuts, restart your computer or sign out, and then sign in again. Adding a shortcut. To add a shortcut to the Quick Link menu, follow these steps. In the Quick Link menu folder, right-click anywhere in the blank space. Select Show More Options. Hover over New, and then select the shortcut option. Enter the name of the item you want a shortcut for, or the location of the item on the computer. In this case, enter the HP Command Center. Then, click Next. Enter the name for the shortcut and click Finish. The new shortcut now appears in the Quick Link menu folder. You can create its own folder or place it in one of the other folders. In this case, you copy it to the Group 2 folder. Once you delete or add any shortcuts, restart your computer or sign out. And then sign in again.